The word you has several different uses in Norwegian, and in this video, I'll focus on the 3 most important ones. When someone asks a simple yes-no question in Norwegian, you usually answer with ja or nei. Kjøpte du mel? Ja. But this doesn't work. Kjøpte du ikke mel? Ja. When someone asks a negatively phrased question, for example with the word ikke in it, you must answer either nei or jo. Kjøpte du ikke mel? Jo. Tok du ikke med vannflaske? Jo. But only saying you may actually sound a bit aggressive though. Tok du ikke med vannflaske? Jo. So to sound more natural and less aggressive, it's common to give a slightly longer answer. Har du ikke førerkort? Jo, jeg har det. But there's actually an even better way to avoid sounding aggressive. But before I get to that, I just want to say one more thing about negative questions. Negative questions do not necessarily contain the word ikke. Har du aldri sett snø før? Jo, jeg har det. Questions with the word aldri are also negative questions. You'll need the word you for them too. But anyway, here's an even better way to answer with you. Norwegians love adding da to their you answers. Jo da. Jo da, jeg har det. Jo da, jeg har det. But why do we use da? Well, da is what we call a linguistic booster. It strengthens your statement and makes your confirmation sound smoother. It shows that you confirm and that there is no problem whatsoever. And at the same time, it signals that you're waiting for the other person to respond without sounding aggressive. So it's a small word with a lot of power. So next time someone asks a negative question with ikke or aldri in them, you can answer jo da. Jo da. Okay, now we're getting closer to my favorite way of saying you. But first, let's look at one of the easiest uses. We also use you in sentences like jo mer jeg øver, jo flinkere blir jeg. Here, you works just like the in English. The more, the merrier. Jo flere, jo bedre. Personally, I like switching the second you with the word desto. For example, we have the saying jo flere kokker, desto mere søl. Meaning the more people trying to fix a problem, the higher the chances are of making a mess out of it. So you something, desto something. But you can use you for both parts too. Finally, we get to sentences like det skal jo regne. Det skal jo regne. This is probably the strangest way Norwegians use the word jo, but it's not that hard to understand. When we put jo in the middle of a sentence, it means that what we're saying is obvious or already known to the person we're talking to. So, when I say det skal jo regne, I'm saying it's going to rain and you already know this. At the same time, you makes the statement stronger. So I'm saying 1, I'm sure it's going to rain. And 2, you already know this or you should know this. Look at this example. Hun jo kokk. This means 1, I'm 100% sure that she's a chef. And 2, you already know this or should know this. If I had just said hun kokk, I wouldn't have fully emphasized that I'm 100% sure. Nor would I have conveyed that you probably already know this. It's not that you're implying any doubt by just saying hun kokk. Hun kokk is just a neutral statement. If you had said hun visst kokk, that would have implied some degree of doubt. Now here's an interesting one. Det jo ikke sikkert at alt går etter planen. This means 1, I'm totally sure that it's not certain that everything will go according to our plan. And 2, I expect you to already know this. If you're interested in these small words that change the meaning of what we say in Norwegian, check out this video. While the word you boosts or emphasizes the statement, the word vel actually does the opposite. And it also has another really important function you might want to know about.